What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5, helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about how you can get more subs, how you can get more watch time, how you can get more views, all of those types of things. I get asked that every single day, so I want to help you guys out with that. I also want to give you guys an update. I have lowered the prices on the YouTube course and the Advanced Masterclass. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep that going, but I have lowered the prices, so definitely take a look if you're wanting to jump in. Now is the time. I'm not giving any deadlines or anything like that, but I have dropped the price, so definitely take a look at that if you are interested for the time being. And so let's get into it. A lot of you guys ask this all the time. A lot of people say, how do you get more watch time? How do you get more subscribers? How do you get more, viewers? All of those types of things. And I always preach this. You need to be consistent, especially if you're using the blueprint that I'm teaching in the course. You need this, especially when you're starting out. A lot of people will be like, oh, I'm not getting any viewers or anything. That's because, and then I'll go look at their channel, and they're not posting 8 to 10 videos a day. You have to post 8 to 10 videos a day doing this method for the first few weeks, first month, okay? If you haven't done that, you're not allowed to complain that it's not working. You're not allowed to say that you can't build a channel from scratch. If you haven't posted 8 to 10 videos a day for at least a month, do not say that you can't do it, okay? Because, the more that you post, if you post 8 to 10 videos every single day, I guarantee you if you do that for a month, at least one's going to go viral. And that one going viral is all you need to blow up your channel, okay? I showed that with the Alex Jones example that I used. It was pretty much from scratch, posted one video, it went freaking viral, got me 8,000 subs, got me, 30 million watch hours, some crap like that. 3 million or something, 3 million watch hours, something like that. It was ridiculous, okay? Same thing on this channel, Buy 9 to 5, that one Make Money on YouTube video went viral, and, that's where most of my viewership has started to come from. And so just by posting, eventually something's going to hit and go viral, and that's what you need to realize. A lot of you guys don't understand that. You'll post for a few days, be like, oh, it's not going viral. It's because no one's finding you yet. Not only that, but YouTube algorithm hasn't even found you yet. If you've only posted for 3 or 4 days, YouTube hasn't even had a chance to recommend you to anybody, okay? So, you post for a few weeks, and then one will start to go, and then once that goes, YouTube will start recommending your stuff, but you have to get at least one video to go viral. The best way to do that is to keep posting 8 to 10 videos a day for a few weeks. Not only that, even if only a few people watch every one of those videos, they're starting to get onto your channel. And as they're getting onto your channel, that's going to help, get you going in the recommendations and stuff for YouTube, because then YouTube says, oh, this is starting to gain some traction. This channel is starting to get some views, and that's because you're posting 8 to 10 a day. Even if you're only getting like 50 views per video, you add that all up, and that's a decent amount of views. So according to YouTube's eyes, they say, oh, this channel is actually getting a decent amount of views. Maybe I should start advertising towards this channel a little bit, and then that can help you as well. And you need to take all my advice as far as titles, tags, thumbnails, keywords. You always need to try to rank for a tag, like I said in the other video. And that one tag needs to be first in your title, first in your description, first in your tag. Put a good thumbnail, one that people want to click. It has to be HD. It has to look good. Don't be putting little tiny words in there that no one can even read, okay? Let the picture tell the story. Let the title tell them what it's about. Let the picture make them say, I want to see that video, that picture right there. I want to see what's going on in that video. You need to make them want to click that thumbnail. So it needs to be really high quality. It needs to make it look like, it's going to be a high quality video. You need to do those things. And then from there, they'll just click. And so that's all really important. And then as far as this blueprint goes, a lot of people also say, I'm getting a lot of views, but I'm not getting subscribers. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are posting all the same videos within the same niche. If you're jumping around different niches on your channel, people probably won't sub because they're interested in that one video that you had, right? And then if they look at your channel and it's a bunch of different types of videos, they're probably just going to be like, he's just posting all kinds of stuff, I'm not going to sub. But if you're posting something that is a niche that people are interested in, and you're posting a bunch of different videos on that same topic, anyone who finds your channel is going to find it because they're interested in that niche, and they're just going to subscribe. I mean, it's as simple as that. And with me, I could sit here and ask for subscribers because I'm making my own videos or whatever. But even if you're not, what you should do is go to the comments and comment, please subscribe for more videos. And then you can click the little dots on the side and click pin. So then at least when people are scrolling, they're going to see please subscribe for more, and that will remind them to sub. Also, you can go in and do that watermark as well. So you just go into channel there, and then you can do watermark, and then you can put a little logo in the bottom right, and then that will go ahead and kind of remind them to subscribe as well. I like to just put like a subscribe button there. Instead of like an actual logo for my channel, I would put like a subscribe little thing right there. Just a little subscribe logo that you can find on Google Images, and then that will remind them to subscribe as well. So that's a few different things you can do as far as subscribing. And then the most important thing is just to stay consistent with posting, guys, because I even see it with Buy 9 to 5. If I stop posting for a few days, I just see the watch time and stuff just plummet. And then as soon as I post like 2 or 3 videos back to back, day to day, I see it start rising back up. So, as far as, and it helps with the algorithm, that's the thing. It's not just, first of all, people, yes, your subscribers are obviously going to come watch your video every time you post one, right? But the benefit of that is that the more days in a row you're getting a lot of people to watch your videos, that tells YouTube that your channel is popular at the moment, and that helps YouTube recommend your stuff more. So it's not just the benefit of your subscribers are coming to watch your video, and that's what's doing it. It's helping, but then the algorithm is catching that, oh, it's kind of a popular video. So boom, it continues to help propel it, and that's the thing that you guys need to realize. So, if I post a video every day for a week, which I don't think I've ever freaking done actually, but if I posted a video every single day for a week, on this channel, I mean Buy 9 to 5, so that's the thing too. That's why this blueprint is so freaking awesome, and why you can make so much money with it. Because my videos, I'm making them every single day, or I have to make them, right? So I have to think of something to say and talk for about 10 minutes, and make a thumbnail, all that stuff. I have to make the video. So I probably only do one every day or 2 or 3 days, right? With the blueprint I teach you guys, you can freaking post 8 to 10 within an hour, easy. And so if you do that, obviously you're going to get a lot of freaking views once you start getting going. But you got to get going. You can't just do it for 3 days and then be like, oh, it doesn't work. Well, of course not. No one's had time to find you yet. You have to get one video kind of going, and that's going to help. And with all the things I've taught you guys about going to other channels' videos and kind of leaving an advertisement on the comments and on the top comments, and the Facebook groups where you can go into different Facebook groups and advertise your content. I've gotten a lot of people to come to my channel just by doing that as well on Buy 9 to 5. You guys can do all those types of things, and you have to actively try to build your channel at the beginning stages. So you have to be really consistent, but then you have to think outside the box. What else can I do to get people to this channel? That's what you need to kind of think about. And then as far as subscribers, like I said, the little watermark or pinning a comment down there will help you out with that. Just a lot of questions I get a lot that some people struggle with. I think that my thumbnails and titles are just good, and I know the niches that I'm doing. If you guys want to know, they're in the advanced masterclass. Like I said, that is on a sale today. But I teach the niches in depth, and I show you guys the titles I use, the thumbnails I use, tags I use, the channels I get the videos from. I show you all of that kind of stuff in the advanced masterclass for all of the niches that I personally make $30,000 to $40,000 a month with. So that should help you guys kind of learn what kind of thumbnails and titles and all those type of things that you should be doing for your own channel. But I want to see you guys succeed. So let me know, how many of you guys have a channel? How many of you guys have been consistently posting 8 to 10 videos a day? I want to know where I can help you guys out to get better, whether you're a student or not. Always like to help you guys out. I'm about to go talk to the tax guy. It's almost freaking quarterly tax time. For those of you who don't know, once you start being self-employed, you have to pay quarterly taxes. So I think that's September 17th that's coming up, 15th or 17th. I'm going to have to pay quarterly taxes, which is pretty much 4 payments throughout the year of your estimated earnings for the year.